Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn linear equations in two variables. Now first we see what is linear equation in two variables. An equation in two variables with the degree of the variable is 1 is called a linear equation in two variables. For example, 3x minus 5y is equal to 2. In this equation, there are two variables x and y. Degree of variable x, that is its index, is 1 and degree of variable y is 1. Therefore, this is a linear equation in two variables. Now next point, general form of a linear equation in two variables. Ax plus by is equal to c is called the general form of linear equation in two variables. In two variables. Where A, B, C belongs to R, that is real numbers, and A is not equal to 0, B is not equal to 0. That is, if value of A is 0, then this becomes 0 plus by is equal to c. By is equal to c. This is a linear equation in one variable. If value of b is 0, that is this term is 0, ax plus is equal to c. This is linear equation in one variable. Therefore, for linear equation in two variables, a and b both are not equal to 0. Now next point, simultaneous linear equations. Two linear equations solving two variables taken together form a system of simultaneous linear equations. For example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. These two equations are in the form of simultaneous equations. Now, in this chapter, we have to see the solutions of this type of simultaneous equations. There are four methods of solving simultaneous equations. First method, elimination by equating the coefficients. Second, elimination by substitution. Third, by graphical method. Fourth, by Cramer's rule. Now, practice set 1.1. Example number 1. Solve the following simultaneous equations. 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. A plus 5b is equal to 22. Now in this practice set, we have to solve simultaneous equations by using these two methods. First two methods. Now first write down given equations as it is. 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. Equation number 1. A plus 5b is equal to 22. Equation number 2. Now in these two equations, coefficients of this term b are equal and their sign also equal. Then taking subtraction. Here plus 5b minus 5b get cancelled. 3a minus a is 2a is equal to 26 minus 22 is 4. 2a is equal to 4, therefore a is equal to 4 upon 2, that is 2. This is value of a. Now substitute this value of a in this any one equation. Suppose we put this value in equation 2, therefore equation 2 becomes, now put value of a is 2, 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. 5b is equal to 22 minus 2. Therefore 5b is equal to 20. Therefore b is equal to 4. Therefore a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4 is the solution of given simultaneous equations. Now this is the solution. Now second example, solve 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3, x plus 5y is equal to 4. Here also first write down given equations as it is. 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3, equation 1. X plus 5y is equal to 4, equation number 2. Now we see here coefficients are not equal. Coefficients of x or coefficients of y are not equal. First we have to make the coefficients of x or y are equal. For this, multiplying equation 1 by coefficient of y, x is 1, and here coefficient of x is 5. Now multiplying each term by 1, therefore we get 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. This is equation number 3. Multiplying by 5, 5x plus 25y is equal to 20. Equation number 4. Now in these equations, coefficients are equal, sign is also equal, therefore taking subtraction. Here plus 5x minus 5x get cancelled, minus 25 plus 2y. Now larger term is minus, therefore minus 25 minus 2 is 23, y is equal to minus 23. Therefore y is equal to minus 23 divided by minus 23 is 1. Now put this value of y in any equation from this 4. Now it is simple to put value of y is in equation 2. Therefore equation 2 becomes x plus 5 into value of y is 1 is equal to 4. Therefore x plus 5 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 minus 5. X is equal to minus 1. Therefore x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1 is the solution of given simultaneous equations. Now example number 3. Solve 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. First write down given examples as it is. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. Equation number 1. 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Equation number 2. Now in these two equations there is no coefficients of x or y are equal. If we have to make equal, then we have to multiply 101 by equation 1, 99 by equation 2. But it is not easy. Therefore, now in this we observe that now these cross coefficients are equal, 99, 99, 101, 101. If cross coefficients are equal, then first take addition, we get one equation. By taking subtraction, we get another equation. And by solving these two equations, we get answers. Therefore, first we take addition. That is 200x plus 200y is equal to 1000. Dividing by 200, we get x plus y is equal to 5. This is equation number 3. And now take this equation first and equation second, that is 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. Equation 1. 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Equation 2. Now taking subtraction. Here larger term is minus, therefore minus 101 plus 99, that is minus 2x plus 2y is equal to, now here minus 151 plus 499, that is minus 2. Dividing by 2, we get, now minus 2x divided by 2, that is minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 4. Now taking equation number 3 and 4, that is x plus y is equal to 5. Equation number 3 and minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 4. Now here taking addition, plus x minus x get cancelled, y plus y 2y is equal to 5 minus 1, that is 4. Therefore y is equal to y is equal to 4 upon 2, that is 2. Now put this value of y in equation 3. Therefore equation 3 becomes x plus 2 is equal to 5. Therefore x is equal to 5 minus 2. X is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 is the solution of given simultaneous equations. Now question number 4. Solve 2x minus 3y is equal to 9, 2x plus y is equal to 13. Now first write down given equations as it is, that is 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. This is equation number 1. And 2x plus y is equal to 13. This is equation number 2. Now we can solve this problem by using substitution method. From equation 2, write down this equation 2 for y. Y is equal to 13 minus plus becomes minus 2x. Now this is equation number 3. Now put this value of y in equation number 1. Therefore, equation 1 becomes 2x minus 3 into bracket. Value of y is 13 minus 2x is equal to 9. Now solve this equation, that is 2x minus 3 into 13, 39, minus minus becomes plus, 3 into 2, 6x is equal to 9. 2x plus 6x is 8x is equal to 9, minus 39 becomes plus 39. Therefore, 8x is equal to 48. Therefore, x is equal to 48 divided by 8 is 6. Value of x is 6. Now put this value of x in equation 3. Therefore, equation 3 becomes y is equal to 13 minus 2 into value of x is 6. Y is equal to 13 minus 12. Y is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 1 is the solution of given simultaneous equations. Thank you.